Looking for a recipe to use up some of your zucchini from the garden? Stay tuned. Hi there, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where every week together we get together in the kitchen and create delicious and healthy recipes. Today we're going to be making gluten-free zucchini muffins. Begin by grating one medium-sized zucchini, which equals to be about 2 cups, and you want to place it on either a couple of paper towels or a kitchen cloth because we want to get rid of some of the moisture from the zucchini. So just gently press down onto the zucchini and you'll already see some of the water and the moisture coming out, and then set it aside. Next, in your mixing bowl, we're going to add 1.5 cups of your favorite gluten-free flour. I'm going to be using Bob's Red Mill 1-to-1 flour. Next, let's add 1/2 cup of almond flour. This is going to add some healthy protein and fat to our muffins. 3/4 cup of Lakanto, which is made out of erythritol and monk fruit extract. It's a 1-to-1 substitute for sugar. You could also use coconut sugar, or more of a liquid sweetener like honey or maple syrup could work. It just may change the consistency a little bit of the muffins. 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of Ceylon cinnamon, which is a superfood for your brain, 1/2 teaspoon of either pink Himalayan or sea salt. The next ingredient is optional. I'm going to add in 1 scoop of our chocolate bone broth powder, which is going to add in 20 grams of powerful protein into our muffins. 2 other optional ingredients that you could add in now are 2 scoops of our Organixx Collagens powder and/or 1/4 cup of unsweetened shredded coconut. Always just making these recipes taste delicious for you. Whisk together your dry ingredients and then set aside. In a large mixing bowl, add in 2 eggs, and you can always substitute this with 2 flaxseed or chia eggs. 1/3 cup of melted coconut oil. Now, if you don't want as much oil in your muffins, you can always substitute this with unsweetened applesauce, or even some mashed up bananas would be delicious. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract for some flavor. Whisk together your ingredients really well. Now it's time to add in your zucchini. Another optional ingredient I'm going to add is 2 teaspoons of lemon zest. Stir in your zucchini and lemon zest. Add your dry ingredients to your wet ingredients and then mix together. If you're using the ingredients that I am, your batter may be thick, and that's okay. Some optional ingredients that you can add now are 1/2 cup of chopped up walnuts or pecans, 1 cup of blueberries, and/or 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. I'm going to add in some chopped up walnuts. Stir together just until mixed. Scoop the batter into each muffin tin that's either paper lined or greased really well with some coconut oil. Bake your muffins in a 350-degree preheated oven for about 25 to 28 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean when inserted in the middle. Let's give these muffins a taste. Hey, I just want to let you know too that mine baked a little bit shorter than the time that I gave you earlier. Mine only took about 21 to 22 minutes, but it depends on the sweetener that you're using, and it also depends on how hot your oven gets. So I just wanted to let you know to keep an eye on them when they're baking. Let's give these a taste. They're nice and moist. I can tell they're really dense too, so it's not muffins that you're just gonna pop a whole bunch in your mouth. They're really gonna keep you satisfied longer, which I like. And especially because we added in that bone broth protein to add in some more protein, as well as the almond flour really makes a difference. I hope you give these ones a try and get creative with them and really make them work for you. Thanks for being with me today. Hey, if you give these muffins a try, definitely let me know how it goes for you in the comment section below. Subscribe to our channel so I can see you next week in the kitchen. Bye.